Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm here to show you another way or another alternative way of using another product just like Microsoft Office, that uses Word, Excel, PowerPoint, um, and things like that for everyday uses. So, question is, are you tired, of using Microsoft Word, Microsoft 365 that costs $130 a year? Or are you tired of Microsoft ripping you off using PowerPoint and all this other stuff? I know you are. So here you are. This is Libre Office. Yeah, so all right, this is a whole nother program. This is a free application that has Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access. I don't know, but it has all of it. You know what I'm saying? You hit download here, right? It has everything that is close to Microsoft Office. So this is better alternative of using Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and so on and so forth. You will definitely not be disappointed. While we're at the topic here, I'll show you some images of it because I did not download it. I'm telling you, if you are a college student, you don't want to buy Microsoft Office or you don't want to see other alternative ways, of this, they have pretty much everything that you would need. And you can even convert your files, from their format to a doc, X, that's formatted for other businesses or whatever you're trying to use it for. But it's really identical of what Microsoft Office has, and that's probably the best alternative of what you can actually use. I know in some cases you can use Word online, but I don't know if it's free for everybody. So um, I'm definitely saying this is your best chances. It's probably the best way to get your Word done besides Notepad that is built into Windows. So, but yeah, if there's any other things you want to know, alternatives that I think best of, I think Libre Office once again is probably the best alternative to Microsoft Office, and I highly recommend. I'm gonna put the link in the description below here. Definitely go to LibreOffice.com and buy it. Get it for free. Sorry, get it for free, and you'll be good. Um, but yes, definitely. All right, but let's get it. Let's go. I see y'all in the next video. Peace.